Alrighty guys, so here's what happened. First off, welcome back to the channel. We're just gonna cut straight to the chase, forget all the intros. I was up for a while and I was fabricating the midgate, fixing it up. I extended the length of the bars, so now it actually holds itself up. But what I want to do is I want it to hold itself up a little more straighter, so I'm actually gonna weld 2 bars on the cross hatches of the side so it holds up by itself straight. And look at this, it actually drops down. So that's pretty cool. It drops down, it's awesome, it sits flush. I'm also gonna put 2 little pegs on the side, and then I'm gonna weld 2 cross hatches. So when I put my aluminum sheet on it, it's actually gonna hold weight, like it's gonna hold whatever I wanna put in it. I think this is super cool. This is literally the beginning of our avalanche midgate conversion. What the heck just flew in my crotch? That was a roach. Step on it, step on it.
Where is it?
That, kill it right there, look. Look, he's right there.
Oh, it's right here?
Yeah, kill it. Step on it. Step on his ass. There you go. Alright, so anyway, sorry about that, guys. So after we finish with what we're doing to the midgate, now this is the time that we're actually gonna pretty it up. So we're gonna try to make it look good. I have to work on getting 2 flaps on these corner sides, so we don't, whenever we want to close it and have it as an actual pickup truck halfway, we don't want wind and stuff to get in there. So you want that closed off. That I have to go to the drawing board and figure out, because I got to work around those speakers and figure something out. I don't know if when we have it up this way straight, yeah, see, the speakers are kind of going to be in the way. So I can either cut and shorten the length of those things, but I kind of don't want to do that. I might reroute those speakers somewhere else or do something else with it, or I don't know. We'll figure it out as we go, but it's looking so good already, and I can already see the pickup version. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This is pretty damn cool. Guys, let me tell you something. I am so stoked at what I've done, because like, to everyone else out there who fabricates, who welds, who builds cars on a daily thing, and stuff like that, this might not be like nothing to them. It's just a box, big deal, whatever. He just welded up a box. To me, this is a lot, because for the first time ever, I've actually really comprehended welding. And look at what I made, and it's only gonna get better than this. Practice makes perfect. I'm gonna get there. And this, it's like giving me more hope on this build that I may actually make this into something good, into something crazy, into something cool. And for the first time ever, I'm really, truly believing in myself. Like, honestly, really, truly believing in myself. You guys have no idea. So this build, although it may be expensive, although it may cost me a lot of time and labor and whatever like that, at the end of the day, it's going to be so worth it to me, because of the knowledge and the experience that I'm gaining from this. And another thing too, I don't think anyone in the world is going to have a tracker like this. Probably now someone else out there is going to try to make something once they see this video, which is cool. I am, go ahead, put it out there. If y'all want to make one, make one. If y'all can make one better than this, make it better than this. I would love to see it. But this is awesome. This is so cool, and I'm super excited. So let me continue doing what I'm doing, and then we're going to get to finishing this video. Well, at least finishing the build, the midgate part of the build. Then we have to work on the bumpers, and the bumpers are going to be so cool because I have something in my head. And every time I talk to you guys about going to the drawing board, I'm literally not even drawing this out. I'm just seeing it in my head and going off how my head looks. Well, whatever's in my head. I have a custom bumper in my head that I want to do, and I want to actually build the lights inside the bumper, and it's just going to be sick. This is just something that I want to do, and here's my ADHD acting up again. But anyway, let's get on to focusing on this build. I can't stop staring at it. I'm just so happy that it actually works. This is so exciting. It's going to become something cool. So let me continue this build, and let's get it, guys. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys. here we got the midgate. It is in a cross pattern. I'm not sure if I'm going to add a few more supports like here and, you know, there and there and there in the quadrants, because we are probably going to use diamond plate to make that look nice and neat. And I'm not sure if I might weld up some pegs on the floor so that way everything could sit nice and flush with more rigidity. I actually stood on the center of my welds and it holds my body weight. So I'm getting good because before nothing held. Now everything is holding and I feel so confident in my welding. Guys, I just want to say this has been so cool. It's so fun. Tomorrow I'm going to see what I'm going to do for the rest of this. I also got to grind down a lot of the welds and I got to paint it to make sure it doesn't rust. So we are probably going to also head over to Home Depot, get some diamond plate stuff and fix this up. And then finally, after we perfect the midgate, we'll work on the side panels so nothing bypasses on the side. And then after that, we'll probably work on custom making some sidings for this. Or maybe I might just work on the bumpers and get all the welding stuff out the way and then focus on the aesthetics of body work. Guys, I'm super excited. I'm super stoked. Like, you have no idea the kind of high that I'm feeling right now, how happy I feel right now with what I've accomplished. Like, this is the first time I've ever been able to do anything like that. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me at King Customs, make sure that you do. I'll leave the link in the description for you all so you can follow me. If you all been watching my Instagram, you'll notice that the rockers on the bottom of the Avalanche has started to rust. So once I finish this project, I'm going to head on that. I'm going to fix it up. I'm going to body work it and I'm going to paint it back. You guys are going to see that firsthand. I'm going to take what I learned from Peter and I'm going to make sure I apply it into this truck. And guys, I'm telling you, the Avi's going to live forever. This tracker may live forever. I don't know what else is to come on this channel, but I am so stoked and I'm happy that you guys follow me. I'm happy that you guys are watching and that you are liking the videos like I ask you to. So thank you so much. And if you can, continue to like this video. I really do appreciate it. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you're not a subscriber, make sure that you consider subscribing and also leave your comments and thoughts in the comment section below and make sure you turn on your post notifications. Guys, I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.